Many blessings. Welcome back to Green Star Tarot. Today we're going over 3 basic ways to shuffle your tarot cards. Whether you're new to tarot or just looking to refresh your practice, I'll walk you through a step-by-step how-to each method, plus the pros and cons of each one. Let's jump in. First up, the bridge shuffle. This one's probably the most recognizable shuffle. You've definitely seen it in casinos. It looks impressive, but it can be tough on your cards. Okay, step by step. 1, start by splitting your deck in half as evenly as you can. 2, hold each half face down, pressing the short ends together with your thumbs on the inner edge and your fingers supporting the outer edge. Now gently apply pressure with your thumbs to let the cards interlock and fall into each other, almost like they were weaving together. Once the cards are interlaced, lightly bend them upward, then release pressure so they bridge down into one neat pile. Pros: it looks professional and feels satisfying once you get the hang of it. Cons: it's rough on your cards over time, especially if they're thick or glossy. And honestly, it's not my favorite. Next, we have the Overhand Shuffle, my personal favorite and go-to. It's gentle, simple, and perfect for larger decks or someone with smaller hands. Step by step. 1, hold the deck vertically in one hand with your thumb resting along the back edge. 2, use your other hand to pull small sections of the card off the top and let them fall into your palm. 3, repeat that motion, stacking the cards back and forth until they feel they're mixed enough. Pros: it's great for any type of cardstock. Soft, thick, glossy, it doesn't matter. It keeps your deck feeling fresh and cared for. Cons: it might not look as fancy or as professional as the bridge shuffle, but it definitely gets the job done. Lastly, the pile shuffle. And this one is great for beginners. Step by step. 1, lay your cards face down on the table. 2, divide the deck into a few small piles, 3, 4, maybe even 5. Then gather them back together in a new order. You can repeat this process a few times or until intuition or source tells you to stop. Pros: it's simple, meditative, and gives you a chance to connect with your deck before a reading. Cons: it's not the quickest method, but it's a great one to start with or to reset your deck. When it comes to shuffling, remember, it's all about what you feel is right for you. Think about the size of your deck, your hands, the card thickness, and how often you use it. There's no wrong way, just your way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tarot tips and tutorials.